Puan bang. Perlu mentang ila rong ni sport. Ta. Youtube hablet siya rong na mi siya Teng say pe shibet. Tu kedok. Oh ni kedok ke balik ke Bastau. Ke Bayong. Ni dok you ni bahaya. Makan. Bamsyana kulai. Kendarit Bamswad Basting. Bamsyana kulai. Terpelau bentang. Agak video ngan PDP bangin let guys aku ikut kerja. Kita ke next location. Kada stage po Sunway Lagoon. Te nak PDP minta ya. Tang nak apa stay. Te minta nginang danang ni apa kali. Te PDP. Sini. Ben kini kada apa Kuala Lumpur, kapital Jongga Malaysia. Perlok kini ni kedai ka flyover Tembaka dan Arbala. Kini apa berkati sentro. Perlu mentangi apa yang ni apa. Ini kecekah bagi one kai minta. Kita lihat lagi apa kali. Stay. Crash tu maperlak ginyarang sibit. Puan bang. You arrived at your destination. Thank you, brother. Tuh, perlak. Apa ini ya? Perlak mentang ila rong ni sport. Ta. YouTube hablet siya rong na mi siya Teng say pe shibet. Ta ngila yo kani ka tiket run to. Try inlet batch tu coba you hi. Kemudian dong. Baik, perlok. Ta ngila apa yang ni. Ta ngan pini fish bed. Minta. Ei, tai. Itu trying Scream Park nanti spot ada warung.
Mana dia di sini?
Oh, that's the right. Lak kuat jingin nak. Lak kuat jingin.
Banyak makan ikan.
Oh. Tu kedok. Oh, ni kedok ke balik ke Bastau, ke Bayong. Saya syak gila yo benkam. Lock. Ini dia jumperin lah. Ini dok ini bener. Dok you Lili. Hả? Hả? Oh, nilai behep ha. Hả? Long không con quay. Như là ra quay đấy. Hehe. Chân lên bên chỗ Still spot, water pack. Let's have a wildlife pack. Chop ha. Sawan yum chum chibet. It's you. We are back with more new adventure. Kena yang ingin rong ni apa ka wildlife pack. Perlok. Kita ingin rong sini spot wildlife pack gila te daga rebon ni.
Female tigers or tigresses may enter any male's territory she wishes only if she is ready to mate.
Jom Sri ambil ni. Sri dan Petra. Dia dan dia. What is here?
Female tigers or
Tiger.
tigresses may enter
Don't
any
tiger here.
male's territory she wishes
Don't clap like
only
this.
if she is ready to mate.
Where is he?
These
Ih,
couple to
dia
survive.
keluar.
If you are interested in supporting these beautiful animals, you may contact the conservation fund
Kerang
of your
keren ni,
choice,
boy.
such as Berhilitan, WWF, Malaysian Conservation Alliance for Tigers, and many more. Thanks for listening, and we hope you're having a roaring good time here at Sanwelagoon Wildlife Park. Have fun, stay safe, and have your best day ever.
Keluar balik. Belum tu keluar balik stem. Ya, Fred? Belum tu keluar balik depan stem, Fama? Ni dah ni. Ni kita pergi jungle trail. Kau boleh cepat. Curu ya. Panda dan pandali. Ni dia kat tingem bah. Tam tangilad. Drong ni apa? Ka jangka dengam.
Let me introduce you guys to the smallest bear species,
Tu.
Chilean sunbear,
Tu.
or
Ya.
scientifically known as Larctus chileanus. Sunbears only weigh between 25 and 35 kilograms. Polar bears,
Ke flash pa
the
msya dah.
largest bear species in the world, take this in perspective.
Drong Kristen ah.
10 sunbears roughly equal to
Arteli.
one polar bear in weight. However, the small size actually comes with a arboreal lifestyle, living among the trees, accompanied with a very long and curved life. So, it is no surprise that they are considered the most arboreal bear species. Despite their size, these bears can be very
John.
aggressive in the wild bears.
Rumpah ha.
The bear is right
You
here.
see a wild bird
Right here.
please don't clap.
Next. Ah, ni kesem. Kebito. Kebito. Penting rai gini sia. Tu. Ish, kedah. Kisim, kisim. Thank
Using your bird and that comes to your hand, you can take picture with all of birds. For the food, 5 ringgit.
5 ringgit juga, apa?
No.
Kan panpi je ke ya kesem pa, 10 ringgit kan sawan pan yang.
Is it?
Ba?
Yeah.
Ini ndrengnya.
Thank you. So hold this cup. Okay. Hey!
Wah, sikit dah lah deh. Ringba. Babam tu le. Gampang ah. Come on. Get into. Bam lah into. I think finish already. So, what you nak untuk saya wah? Yang dah queue. Yang dah lan one by one. Hey, one by one. See? One by one.
I mean, they know it. When you are holding that one, they know already.
Pokok bat ni. Okay. Come on this side. Come on this side, everybody. Come on this side.
What is that? Is it milk?
It's a meal lah. Ya, dah kedut engkau. Dah kedut. Come here. Come here. Somebody come here. Yeah.
Pang nem pang. Ada apa pang?
Come here.
Ya, kapal sini.
Bam siap jonga ni. Alah wai di wai. Ubun ai. Seperlok mentangan penipi tu klau udang lek kai mentai. Sai klau. Ni wei lalat dah ni wei. Yeah, boh.
You also can feed our inside that.
Okay, let's go. How? Oh, okay. Bye bye. Okay, enough. Okay. Thank you, boss. Ni giwe sim bro, ha? Ni sim benerang. Lit. Isa kini giweru. Kok sendar kan sim? Om no?
Am tu. Ani foto lihat kan.
Dah. Ni apa? Dani ni Fred? Ha? Oh, layan faham ni.
As strange as it is here,
Day. Oh, kita bisa nerang. Ini perlu kita layan. Tu lah petang. Thank you. Don't you friend ya? Kuat i penat. Teh Shri Fred. Teh Shri. Sino tu Tiger Lake? Huh? Do not later. Do not feed. No flash. Do not knock. Itu teh Shri teh. 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 Wala siyang teh. Anak, untuk lakad ni. Ceri. Dah kita baik yang ceri. Ya kita kasih yang ceri. Bang ceri. Kwa cici hau panda tawa panda emruno raja ni. Panda. Panther. Penyu white lion mah. Ngin mak. Yang ni white lion. Tê đằng thi gì chị biết tê cu sinh kinh thê bo sinh chân răng từ vậy là yên push on it. Nok lah ni, darok lah. Tu sim berit balik. Ah, ni redanda. Fred ngila awak pai biang hijau. Kuak. Oh tu tu. Ha? Slow motion pa? Oh, yang kid hot day. Tay yang kid. Ni spot. Real ni bakai no tay. Ha? Real ni hoy tay. Isya ni em. Handball lah. Oh, handball dam tay. Ha? Handball. Nagaland te kadang ke festival jong ni apa?
Like their lion counterparts, tigers love the water to keep their bodies cool during hot and humid days in the jungle.
Ha?
Tiger don't eat fish when they can. This also makes them opportunistic hunters. Tigers can eat up to an average of 10 to 15 kilograms of meat a day. Imagine that. Did you know that no two tigers have the same set of stripes? Like how two people both have the same set of fingerprints.
Can you tell a toy monkey only 5 ringgit for one cup? So if you feed them, they come to you.
Ai có bisa?
Boleh masuk. Ada. Bawa makanan.
Crunch phone tu. Tak, let.
Okay, I open the door. Go straight first. Okay.
Ha?
Okay.
Ni.
You have to go first. Come. Go fast. Now open your hand. Lepas ni kau kan? Open your hand.
Oh, lama.
Don't worry.
Ni Shri try snong dari dapat South America. Hey, oh lo pet dah. Wan mong. Try dah. Oh gila ya, donjing bam try wan rai. Tuh. Oh.
No more. Itu kira musuh rapid. Jempol.
Oh. Pet perlak.
Hey, no.
Awak Aisyah. Ni le plate di kaya tijunga.
Ulah ekor lah lemung dah.
Oh, ke daerah ti jo dai.
Kamu itu ulah pelit. Tambah thamnya kecil tu lah.
Tu lah try bang pli dia. Sadai.
Nomor. Lah pelit itu. Dia pula sendiri.
Macam mana sharing video ah?
Tambah tak pulang.
Macam mana ni kejap? Dia tolonglah.
Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Lalut.
Dia tak
What you doing?
Dia takut. Nah, dia tak.
This guy, little boy, makan. Bamshana kulai, kendarit, bamswat wasting, bamshana kulai.
Kanan-kanan. Hijau. Tengok.
Pukul ni, try ni. Ni enak.
Taiwan ni apa?
Okay? Tekar berat-berat. Skon tu shred eh? Long only crocodile fret. Crocodile ya. Tu, ini. Tu crocodile. Duh, ni anyway. Diserang i.
Tu ni.
Duh, i.
Balik
Tiga
ni stage
sedang.
ayu semandai ya. Ibsen ni ai volunteer lah. Bantuan ibsen ni. Oh tu kena berat dia ni kan.
Cuk, dari mana ni? Sino klik jeng uli. Oh, dari Artli ha?
Oh ni seorang Malaysia.
Berat deh. Seng.
Ini pula. Itu ni. Kemudian seterus. Marek rumah bapak. Itu kan? Auto.
Apa? Ni lah siap kan ni terkong. Ah. Apa? Tuh. Tuh, dekar berat. Pelok ni ka. Ini garal. Yo, aktif baje. Tu kalau lihat. Selit, ha? This is a galaxy. Ani, yep.
No.